More than 18,000 masses, 8,000 baptisms, and 700 marriages. The number of liturgies and sacraments celebrated until last year, 2024, says a lot about the life of this Goan origin priest, Dominic Santamaria, who was ordained a priest in Jerusalem on June 27, 1970, and has lived in Kuwait since October 27, 1973. Father Dominic Santamaria is based at the Holy Family Cathedral in Kuwait City. He is the first priest to be incardinated in the Latin Vicariate, and to this day he is part of the community along with other priests who serve in the largest Catholic church in the country under the leadership of Bishop Aldo Berardi. He was appointed parish priest of the Holy Family Parish in Aden, Yemen, at the age of 25 years. Today he is celebrating 55 years of priestly ordination. We wish him all the joy, peace, love, and good health in the years to come. Gasper, Crasto, Kuwait City.
Father Dominic, would you like to say a few words?
Is it okay?
Yes.
So I thank everyone, one and all. And then also I request, I beg of all of you to say a prayer for my healing. Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Father Dominic Santamaria, on behalf of our Saint Joki and Saint Anne choir, our heartiest congratulations on your 55th anniversary of priestly ordination. God bless you with good health, happiness, and a long, peaceful life, Father. Cheers.
Hearty congratulations to you, dear Father Dominic, on your 55th priestly ordination. May Mighty Lord continue to bless you with good health, happiness, love, and laughter. And may He continue to use you mightily for His service. God bless you, Father, today and always.
Father Dominic Santamaria, the legend of Kuwait, is celebrating 55 years of priestly ordination. On behalf of Goan community at large, we wish him all the very best of good health, love, and peace.